Honestly, Provident Charter School West is Beaver County's biggest hidden gem. My son has dyslexia and has struggled in school for many years, and this place has been the answer and absolutely life-changing for him.
About 1 in 5 children struggle with reading, most often due to dyslexia, the leading cause of reading, writing, and spelling difficulties. Too often, these students are unfairly labeled and lose confidence. These differences not only affect the children, but the entire family. Provident is the only tuition-free public charter school in Pennsylvania designed specifically for students with dyslexia or other reading challenges. We have been helping children in grades 1 through 8 become confident learners since 2016. With campuses in Pittsburgh and Beaver, we serve students from over 55 districts and across 8 counties.
My favorite thing about being a student at Provident is having better friends and communicating with teachers if you need to. The numerous times I got bad grades, and now coming to a new school and having straight A's is just amazing.
It's different because they accommodate every child to their needs. When you first come here, you don't have trouble making friends. Everyone's really inviting. At my old school, I didn't want to get up. I didn't want to go to school. Every morning now, I get up and I'm actually happy to go to school.
In appearance, PCS mimics a traditional public school. However, once you enter the building, you can see the difference. Students receive 25% more instructional learning and are taught with a non-traditional, multi-sensory approach. Teachers utilize the Wilson reading system based on the Orton-Gillingham instruction principles. No homework in grades 1 through 4, daily lunches and free breakfast are prepared from scratch. We teach Taekwondo as a class designed to build confidence. The biggest difference at our school is a smile on students' faces. They finally found a place where they feel accepted and confident. With 100% satisfaction rating among students and parents, PCSW is the right choice for struggling readers.
Don't hesitate. Come to Provident. Just come take the tour. Come and see our environment. Come and see the rapport that teachers make with the students, because it's probably one of the most invigorating things. It will be life-changing for your family and for your kids. It was for us.
To enroll your child at one of our Provident Charter School locations or to learn more about our programs, visit providentcharterschool.org today.